Welcome to Brahmi Creation. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for further updates. Today I am explaining one simple saree kuchu design. Here I am using 8 strands of silk thread, this type of round bead along with crochet hook number 10, 0.75 mm. At first, you need to lock this thread into saree. Lock the thread here. Make 2 blocks of 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Measure where it is reaches. Then lock into saree. Lock the thread here. Then make another block of 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Then lock the thread. After 2 blocks, you need to add one round bead. Just add one round bead. Lock the bead. Then lock to the saree. After adding this round bead, you need to make 3 block of 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Then lock here. Make another 3 chain. Lock. Then after making 3 block of 3 chain, you need to add another one bead. Lock the bead and after lock into saree. Then make 3 chain of 3 block. Continue this process till the end of the saree. At the first, you need to make 2 block of 3 chain, then add bead, then make 3 block of 3 chain, then add bead, then continue the process till the end of the saree. After finishing the baseline, for the second step, lock the thread at the same place. Lock the thread here. Then make 3 chain. One, 2 and 3. Lock here. After locking, you have to make double crochet here. You can see the thread beside this bead. You have to make double crochet here. One, two, 3, 4. Here I am making 12 double crochet over this bead. The 12. After doing 12 double crochet, lock the thread here. Then make 3 chain. 1 2 3. Lock here. After locking, make 12 double crochet over the bead. After the 12 double crochet, lock the thread. Make 3 chain, lock here. Then make 12 double crochet over this bead. You can see the thread behind this bead. You have to make 12 double crochet over this bead. Do this at the end of the saree. Make 12 double crochet over this bead, then make 3 chain, then make 12 double crochet, then make 3 chain. Continue this process till the end of the saree. After finishing the second step, you need to add tassel. You can see the 3 chain gap here. You have to add kuchu here. For that, I taken 120 strands of silk thread and normal needle with 4 strands of zari thread. Here I am adding tassel in this 3 chain gap. I will show you after adding the kuchus. After adding the tassel, kuchu will look like this. Thank you for watching.